Hey guys, I had a cardboard box, so I thought that I'd make heart piñatas to use as home decor for February. First, make a heart template. I made a couple in different sizes. Trace it onto cardboard and cut it out with an X-Acto. You'll need 2 hearts to make 1 piñata. I had enough cardboard to make 3 piñatas. Next, cut strips of cardboard for the size of the heart. I made mine 2 inches wide. The length will depend on the size of your heart. I used a Post-it as a template to make a tab on the strip. With an X-Acto, cut out the tab, but don't cut the top side all the way through. Glue the strip around the heart. You could use masking tape instead. I made 2 holes near the top center of the heart. I taped it to make it more durable. I also added tape to where the 2 pieces of cardboard connected, then punctured the holes again. For the string, I used the red part of this red and green Christmas twine that I had. I strung it through both holes and made an overhand knot. Then taped it. Next, glue the other heart on top. I used the end of my paintbrush to help me align the pieces. I also made a small hoop to add to the tab. Then cover the edges with streamer. I used an extra piece of cardboard to smooth out the glue. Fold the streamer a few times and cut slits on one side, about 3/4 of the way. Add it to the heart, starting from the bottom. Each row should slightly overlap the previous row. Trim the sides to keep its shape. Repeat this with the back of the heart. Fold the streamer a few times and cut short slits on the top and bottom. Use it to cover the sides of the heart. After the first layer, the cardboard was still visible, so I added a second layer. Next, glue the loop to the tab. And here's how they turned out.